Hey everyone, today I want to share with you guys 5 items that I got from Maniology. I have 2 new stamping plates, which I already went ahead and removed the protective layer. And then we have a set of 3 polishes. So I already went ahead and peeked at these because I could not wait. But these are absolutely beautiful. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do a quick tutorial so I can share with you guys these amazing products. Starting off with Cocoa from their nude collection, I'm going to go ahead and use this tone as a background for the nail design that I'm going to be creating. And because I'm using their collection Ocean Crush, this collection is more like the glittery flaky look. So I wanted to do a design kind of like for the fall and autumn. But yeah, notice here I'm using a clear nail tip. I wanted to use a clear nail tip to show you guys how pigmented their polishes are. Now these polishes are made for stamping, so that's why they're super pigmented. They are not gel polishes, so keep that in mind. I absolutely love to work with this polish because it dries super fast and it's faster than even doing gel polish. By the time I get to the third nail, that first nail is super dry, like perfect to go. So you don't have to worry if you're giving it a nice thin even layer. You want to work at a fast pace, of course, because they are for stamping, so they dry super fast. And as you guys notice here, I'm just going right down the center and then down the sides to work at a fast pace so that they don't wrinkle or like get lumpy and bumpy or thick, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's something I just wanted to point out. So again, I'm just gonna do this now normal speed. You guys will see me going down the center and then just working my way down to the sides. The reason why I'm working down the center first, because you want to put the most amount of that polish in the center so it doesn't flood the cuticles. And then with the access on the brush, just pull down the sides and then it'll bring it all together. Super easy. So here is the Ocean Crush collection. As you guys can see, they are 3. This one here has more of an orangey tone. This one is like yellow and blue. And then this one is more like pink and purple. Now they do look different depending on the background color that you're gonna give it. You guys see I'm using brown, so I love how this, with one stroke, as you guys just saw, it's super pigmented. Like one stroke is enough and I absolutely love it. I love how this is given autumn and fall, like it's that time of the year. So this looks absolutely beautiful. It reminds me of like when you're walking down the street or you're driving down the street and you see like all the leaves on the ground. Absolutely beautiful. This one here is much more lighter than the other ones, but you guys can definitely see with the different lightings how they look. And then I'm gonna share with you guys how I created the first design, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the other 2. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with this color, which is from their nude collection as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and saturate this on the nail plate. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape it, just go in at a 45-degree, pull that down, and then we're gonna roll our stamper right on that. Now a little trick that I use is the scraper with the excess of polish on it. It kind of like stays sticky, so you can pull away the excess amount of design if you're working on a larger nail like I am. And then I'm going ahead and carefully, because I am using a practice hand for this, just carefully pressing that in and then pushing the nail design into the sides because it dries super fast. So that's what we have. And then this is the second tone that I'm using. I'm pretty much stuck to these 2 colors for the nail designs, by the way. I'm just gonna go ahead and saturate this design. And then again, with my scraper, I'm just gonna go ahead and scrape that down. Carefully, you don't wanna pull too much of the polish off, but make sure it's nice and clean. And then we're gonna roll that stamper on to the plate, and there you have it. Again, I'm just going to use the excess the scraper to remove the excess amount of product on the side, so I won't transfer it because I'm using a larger nail tip for this design. So if it's a smaller nail, I don't think you have to worry about it much because it's just going to go around the nail. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I had so much fun with this. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys do stamping as well, if you're new to it. I think this is super cool for beginners, especially when it comes to nail art. Nail art is like in right now. A lot of these things come and go when you're in the nail industry, by the way. Just wanted to point that out. So if you guys have stamping put away and you're struggling with it, or you've tried different ones and you just can't get it, this is definitely one you want to try. Don't forget that we do have a discount code in the description box down below for you guys. If you guys are interested, you want to save some money, go ahead and check that out in the description box down below. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is something I feel like beginners should get on if they're just getting into nail and like they're struggling with the nail art, but you want to work at a fast pace and get your client in and out, but also have them happy and satisfied. This is what you want to go ahead and try. But yeah, let me know if you guys like these nail designs. I'm going to go ahead and do the last nail design, and then I'm going to top these off with a matte top. So I can't wait to reveal that to you guys. Super beautiful. I loved the way these turned out. Again, just at a 45, go ahead and clean that nail design. Be careful, don't remove too much of the polish, but you guys see how beautiful that looks. Again, with the scraper, just remove the excess, super easy. And then we're just gonna pat this onto the nail, like press it into the nail. I also went ahead and used the excess of the design that was left on the stamper to blend this design out, again, because I am using a longer nail tip. So I just wanted it to look nice and flawless, and it turned out really nice. So this has to be like one of my favorites out of the three. Let me know in the comments down below which one you liked out of all three of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. But yeah, let me know also if you guys want to see different like nail tutorials with these plates and colors, or if you guys want to see more of like fall design, just let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and play some music for you guys so you guys can enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for supporting. You guys know that I'm all about the support. So if you are a nail tech and you have a nail channel, let me know in the comments down below as well, so I can go ahead and share some support. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave it here, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed.